Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02 and settings. Okay, go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. And sounds and vibration, you can see the ringtone. Okay, tap the ringtone. And ringtone, you can see the SIM 1 and SIM 2. And okay guys, for my example, I changed the SIM 1 ringtone. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the SIM 1. And okay guys, here in ringtone, okay, you can see the tones of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to change or to set the ringtone, okay, you can select on this option by scrolling down or up of this ringtone. And okay guys, for my example, I set the ringtone into basic tone. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the basic tone. And okay guys, so okay, go back and okay, you can see the basic tone is set into SIM 1 ringtone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.